Hi friends, in the previous video we have discussed about the concept of inheritance and its example. So in this video we are going to discuss about the different types of inheritances. Object oriented programming OOPS concept supports 5 different types of inheritance, that is single level, multi-level, hierarchical, multiple and hybrid level inheritance. So 5 different types of inheritances are supported by object oriented programming languages. But here we are discussing about the Java implementation. So Java only supports single inheritance, multi-level, hierarchical inheritance. Multiple and hybrid are not supported in Java. So why we will discuss this in later. So coming to single inheritance. So previous example where we have discussed about an employee and programmer will comes under the implementation of single level inheritance. So here we are implementing or we are taking two different classes A and B. So B class is implemented or inherited from the A class. So A will be the superclass and B will be the subclass. So we are acquiring the properties from A class. That is called a single level inheritance. So the same example can be repeated, or we will take the another example of animal and dog. Okay, so first class animal is taken as the parent class. So parent class animal consists of a method called as void eat. So which consists of simple println statement or like system.out.println of eating. So we are closing the class completely and we are going to declare another class called as dog, which is the subclass or child class, which is acquiring properties from the animal class, which is the A class. So A class and B class, or parent class or subclass, or can be called as again a superclass and subclass. So dog is extended by animal, and but dog is consisting again a method called as void bark, again consisting of a println statement barking. Okay, so here ends the class again. Sorry, method is ended here, and class consists of class, another class test inheritances is taken, which consists of the main method string args dog d. So object created for the subclass B class object is created using the D object. We are going to retrieve two methods, or we are going to access the two methods, which is one is subclass method and another one is superclass method. That means which is in dog class method and animal class method. So object is created only for the dog class, but we are able to access two different methods in two different classes. So this is the same concept or same example we have taken previously also can be considered for this example. So when we are going to access this, the output will be as follows, like barking and eating. The simple println statements will be printed as the output. So this is called a single level inheritance. And next, coming to second technique, multi-level inheritance. So multi-level inheritance consists of three different classes: class A, class B and class C. So single level inheritance will be up to this level. So class B will inherit the properties of class A. So multi-level means class C is introduced, where class C inherits the properties from B, not from A. So A properties will be used by B properties will be used by C. So multi-level inheritance. So another layer of single level inheritance. So here we are taking the same example of animal class. Eat method is used, println statement is used, and again dog class is declared, which is extended by animal class, and bark method is used, which consists of an again println statement, and then third class A class, B class and C class. B class is extended by A class, C class is extended by B class. This is the multiple inheritance concept. So here we are declaring another method called as sweep, another println statement. Okay, the main class is open with the name of test inheritance, public static void main string args. Baby dog class, for that object is created, that means for the C class. So super child class or the main subchild class, here we are calling generally as parent class and child class. So when in the multi-level inheritance concept, so two different childs are available, like first one is parent for second child or B class. So B class acts as a parent for C class, so this will becomes the parent and this will become the child, or simply we can call it as parent class, child class and subchild class. Okay, so here we are creating object for D, that is subclass, and we are accessing three different methods. From first one is like C class, B class and A class methods are acquired or accessed here. So three methods will work when we create object for one single class. Again, the concept of inheritance makes use of one object creation, or memory will be efficiently used. So generally we have to, when we are using three different classes, so three different classes should be created, three different objects. So A class should be created as an object A, B should have an object B, C should have an object C. So when object is created as an object is an instance of class, so once the object is created, a memory is allocated for each and every class. So for A, one object is created, for one memory allocation is provided. For B, another memory allocation, C, another memory allocation is awarded. So when we are using the inheritance concept, we are supposed to use only one single object called as C. So C class, C object is created. Using C class, we can acquire the properties or variables or methods using one single class of three different classes. So here C object is created, and for one memory location we are able to access three different classes or three different methods or three different variables of three different classes. So the two memory allocations are not allocated. So here we are storage is more efficiently used here by concept of inheritance again. So the output comes as weeping, barking and eating. So three different system.out.println statements are printed here successfully using only one single object. So that is the concept of inheritance in multi-level inheritance.